Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to crochet using the back loops only. This technique adds great texture and flexibility to your projects. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. To demonstrate, I will be using single crochets. Now, instead of inserting your hook under both loops, insert it only into the back loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through the back loop. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. That's your first back loops only stitch. Continue this process across the round, working into the back loop of each stitch. This creates a ribble texture that's flexible and stretchy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.